How to channel.
Don't forget subscribe.
How to whiten your yellow teeth naturally at home. Choose Whitening. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will share with you an effective remedy to get your yellow teeth white permanently. First thing we need 1 tablespoon of toothpaste. I use Colgate Whiten. Pinch of salt, pinch of baking soda, one tablespoon of lemon juice, now mix all the ingredients very well. Apply a little bit of this paste on the brush and brush your teeth for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, wash your teeth well. With water. After the first use, you will notice a difference that your teeth are getting white. Oh, finally! I hope this remedy helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please subscribe to my channel and make thumbs up for this video.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget subscribe.